Welcome back, adventurers. Today we're stepping into a world of history, elegance, and royal luxury. But here's the twist. These aren't the palaces of European monarchs or Middle Eastern royalty. These palaces are right here in the United States. Join me as we embark on a journey to explore these architectural marvels, each with its own captivating story to tell. From sprawling estates nestled in the wilderness to opulent mansions overlooking the sea, we'll uncover the secrets and splendor of America's most famous palaces, all painstakingly recreated in claymation. Get ready to be amazed by the intricate details, the grand scale, and the fascinating history behind these extraordinary structures. Our first stop is the Biltmore Estate, located in Asheville, North Carolina. This grand estate is not just a home, but a symbol of one man's dream and determination. Picture this, a sprawling estate nestled amidst the misty Blue Ridge Mountains. The serene landscape provides a perfect backdrop for this architectural marvel. This, my friends, is Biltmore, the largest private home in America. Spanning over 175,000 square feet, it is a true testament to opulence and grandeur. Envision, if you will, a young George Washington Vanderbilt II, heir to a railroad fortune venturing into these mountains in the late 1800s. His vision was clear and ambitious. He envisioned a retreat, a place of unparalleled grandeur, and thus, Biltmore was born. The construction was a monumental task involving thousands of workers and artisans. With 250 rooms, stunning gardens, and its very own winery, this mansion is a testament to the ambition and vision of its creator. Each room tells a story of luxury and elegance. The house itself is a marvel of architecture, boasting a blend of French Renaissance and chateau-esque styles. The intricate details and craftsmanship are simply breathtaking. Imagine yourself strolling through the grand banquet hall, its 7-story high ceilings adorned with intricate tapestries. The hall was designed to impress and inspire awe. Picture the light streaming through the 65 fireplaces, casting a warm glow on the priceless artwork adorning the walls. Each piece carefully selected to complement the grandeur of the estate. But Biltmore is more than just a house. It's a self-sustaining estate. It was designed to be a world unto itself, with everything needed for a luxurious lifestyle. Step outside the mansion's doors, and you'll find yourself in a landscape designed by the renowned landscape architect Frederick Law Olmsted. His vision brought the estate's surroundings to life. Imagine yourself meandering through the meticulously manicured gardens, each turn revealing a new vista, a new masterpiece of nature crafted by human hands. The gardens are a living work of art, and what would a grand estate be without its own village? A place where the community could thrive and support the estate. Biltmore Estate boasts its own village, complete with a dairy, a blacksmith shop, and even a forestry school, a testament to Vanderbilt's commitment to innovation and sustainability. It was a self-sufficient community. The Biltmore Estate stands today as a testament to a bygone era, a time of unimaginable wealth and ambition, meticulously recreated in clay, brick by brick, window by window, a testament to the power of human ingenuity and the enduring beauty of a dream realized. It remains a symbol of what can be achieved with vision and determination. Next up, we have the magnificent Breakers in Newport, Rhode Island, a true gem of the Gilded Age. This opulent mansion, perched on the craggy cliffs overlooking the vast Atlantic Ocean, stands as a monumental testament to the Gilded Age, a time when American industrialists amassed unimaginable fortunes and indulged in lavish displays of wealth, creating architectural wonders that still captivate us today. The Breakers was the summer home of Cornelius Vanderbilt II, grandson of the Commodore and a titan of the railroad industry, who spared no expense in its construction. Imagine a time when the wealthiest families in America flocked to Newport, transforming this picturesque seaside town into a playground for the elite filled with grandiose mansions and opulent parties. The Breakers, with its 70 rooms and sprawling lawns, was designed to impress, to showcase the Vanderbilts' immense wealth and social status, leaving visitors in awe. The house itself is a masterpiece of Beaux Arts architecture, its facade adorned with intricate carvings, its interiors dripping with gold leaf and crystal, reflecting the height of luxury. Imagine yourself ascending the grand staircase, its marble steps polished to a mirror sheen, each step echoing the grandeur of the era. Picture yourself wandering through the house's many rooms, each one more opulent than the last, each corner telling a story of extravagance. The Breakers is a feast for the senses, a testament to the artistry of its creators and the sheer extravagance of the Gilded Age, a period of unparalleled opulence. Step outside onto the expansive terrace, and you'll be greeted by breathtaking views of the Atlantic Ocean, a sight that has inspired awe for generations. Imagine the Vanderbilts and their guests, dressed in their finest attire, sipping champagne as the sun sets over the water, a scene of timeless elegance. The Breakers is a place frozen in time, a glimpse into a bygone era of opulence and grandeur. And now, thanks to the magic of claymation, we can experience it all anew, reliving the splendor of the past. No list of famous American palaces would be complete without the iconic White House. Located at 1600 Pennsylvania Avenue in Washington, D.C., the White House serves as the official residence and workplace of the President of the United States. But it is more than just a house. It is a symbol of American democracy, a beacon of hope and freedom for people around the world. Imagine the weight of history held within those walls, the countless decisions made, the triumphs and tragedies witnessed. George Washington himself chose the site for the White House, though he never lived to see it completed. Since John Adams, every president has called this grand house their home, shaping its legacy with each passing administration. Picture yourself walking through the East Room, the largest room in the White House, where state dinners and grand receptions are held. Imagine the world leaders who have graced that room, the treaties signed, the history made. The White House is a place of power, yes, but it is also a place of family, of tradition, of continuity. From the annual Easter egg roll on the South Lawn to the lighting of the national Christmas tree, the White House is a place where American traditions are celebrated and shared with the world. Even in claymation, the White House stands tall, a beacon of democracy and a testament to the enduring spirit of the American people. Next, we're heading to the sun-drenched shores of Miami, Florida, where a touch of Italian Renaissance awaits. Here, amidst the swaying palm trees and sparkling waters of Biscayne Bay, lies Vizcaya Museum and Gardens, a testament to the vision of one man, James Deering. Imagine a wealthy industrialist captivated by the beauty of Italian Renaissance villas, dreaming of recreating that magic on American soil. That dream became Vizcaya, an estate that transports you to another time and place. Picture yourself strolling through the villa's 34 rooms, each one a masterpiece of design, adorned with European antiques and art treasures. Step into the courtyard, its centerpiece a magnificent fountain surrounded by lush greenery, and let the tranquil sounds of water cascading over stone transport you to a world of serenity. But Vizcaya is more than just a house. It's a seamless blend of architecture and nature. Imagine yourself wandering through the estate's 10 acres of gardens, a meticulously crafted landscape of formal gardens, native forests, and breathtaking views of the bay. Picture yourself discovering hidden grottos, ornate fountains, and statues peeking out from behind lush foliage. Vizcaya is a sensory delight, a place where the beauty of nature and the artistry of humankind exist in perfect harmony. Now, let's head to the stunning Hearst Castle, located in San Simeon, California. This iconic landmark is not just a piece of history, but a living testament to the grandeur of a bygone era. This sprawling estate, perched high atop a hill overlooking the Pacific Ocean, is like something out of a fairy tale, a testament to the ambition and eccentricities of its creator, William Randolph Hearst. The panoramic views from this vantage point are simply breathtaking. Imagine a man of immense wealth, a newspaper magnate with a penchant for the extraordinary, dreaming of building his own castle on a hill. Hearst's vision was not just about creating a home, but about crafting a legacy that would endure for generations. That dream became Hearst Castle, a sprawling estate that's as much a museum as it is a home. It houses an eclectic collection of art and artifacts from around the world, each piece telling its own unique story. Picture yourself driving up the winding road to the estate, the anticipation building with every turn. The journey itself feels like a prelude to the grandeur that awaits at the top. As you reach the top of the hill, the castle comes into view, its towers reaching towards the sky, a magnificent blend of Spanish, Italian, and Californian architectural styles. Each element of the design reflects Hearst's eclectic tastes and his desire to create something truly unique. Hearst Castle is a place of grandeur, a place where no expense was spared, no detail overlooked. The interiors are lavishly decorated, each room more opulent than the last. Imagine yourself stepping into the assembly room, its soaring ceilings adorned with 16th century tapestries, its walls lined with priceless art. This room, like many others in the castle, is a testament to Hearst's love for art and history. Picture yourself dining in the refectory, its long wooden tables set for a feast fit for a king, the room lit by flickering candlelight. The ambiance here is both grand and intimate, a perfect setting for lavish gatherings. But Hearst Castle is more than just opulent interiors, it's a place where art and nature collide. The gardens and outdoor spaces are filled with sculptures and fountains, creating a seamless blend of natural beauty and artistic expression. Imagine yourself swimming in the Neptune pool, its Roman-inspired design a marvel of engineering, the Pacific Ocean stretching out before you. This pool is not just a place to swim, but a work of art in itself. Hearst Castle is a place of endless wonder, a testament to the power of dreams and the human desire to create something truly extraordinary. It stands as a monument to one man's vision and the incredible legacy he left behind. These American palaces are more than just grand buildings. They're symbols of wealth, history, and the American dream. From the lavish homes of the Gilded Age to the seat of political power, they each tell their own unique story of how America's elite lived and influenced the world. Thanks for joining me on this royal tour of America's most famous palaces. If you enjoyed the journey, don't forget to hit that like button, comment below with your favorite palace, and subscribe for more fascinating adventures through history. See you in the next video. Until next time, keep exploring the wonders of the world with us always.